Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M3's performance in a cinematic BeamNG crash test against a solid wall. We'll examine the vehicle's structural integrity and safety features during a high-speed impact. Our focus is on the realistic deformation and how the car absorbs energy, providing a detailed look at the simulated crash dynamics. As the BMW M3 collides with the wall, BeamNG Drive's physics engine vividly demonstrates the impact. You'll see the front end deform, absorbing a tremendous amount of energy. The crumple zones are designed to protect the cabin, and we can observe the simulated airbags deploying instantly, showcasing the car's passive safety systems in action. Following the impact, we conduct a thorough post-crash assessment. We'll examine the chassis for significant structural compromise and evaluate how well the passenger cell maintained its shape. Observing the damage from various cinematic angles provides a comprehensive understanding of the forces at play and the M3's resilience in this extreme scenario. In summary, the BMW M3 showcased impressive structural integrity and safety performance in our BeamNG crash test. The simulation effectively highlights how modern vehicle engineering manages extreme forces. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Your support helps us create more exciting content like this, so don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.